In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted WhatsApp chats without backup. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to go to your phone settings. Now search for app list or app management. Click on it and then click on app list. Here you will see the list of applications that are currently installed on your smartphone. So search for WhatsApp. This method works for both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. So select WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. I actually want to recover my chats on WhatsApp Business, so I'll select WhatsApp Business now. Go to storage and then click on this clear storage option. Click on OK. Once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to open your file manager. Go to internal storage and then go to Android. Select media. Click on WhatsApp. Here you will see three options: backups, databases and media. So click on databases. Now select all these files. Then click on copy. Go back and then go to backups and paste all the files here. And once all of the files are pasted in this folder, upon opening WhatsApp now, you will be required to sign in to your account again. And once you have signed in, all of your deleted chats will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.